Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 20th, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple has issued urgent security updates for macOS and iOS to patch zero-day vulnerabilities actively being exploited, particularly on Intel-based Macs. These vulnerabilities, identified as CVE 2024-444308 and CVE 2024-44309, involve JavaScript core and WebKit, potentially allowing attackers to execute arbitrary code or perform cross-site scripting attacks. Users are strongly advised to update their systems to the latest versions to safeguard against these threats. This comes amidst a backdrop of increasing cyber attacks targeting macOS users, including phishing campaigns by North Korean hackers. Rosetta 2, Apple's advanced emulator for running x86 applications on ARM-based Macs, continues to impress with its speed and efficiency. Utilizing ahead-of-time translation, Rosetta 2 converts x86 binaries to ARM before execution, minimizing runtime costs and optimizing performance. The emulator's design, which includes efficient handling of instruction translation and flag management, allows for seamless execution of x86 applications on Apple's M1 chip. While there's room for further optimization, Rosetta 2 strikes a balance between speed and complexity. Despite investing over $20 billion in original content, Apple TV Plus struggles to capture a significant share of the streaming market, holding only 0.3% of US screen time as of June 2024. With an estimated 25 million subscribers, Apple TV Plus lags behind giants like Netflix and Prime Video. Limited marketing and a smaller content library are cited as reasons for its low viewership. Apple is exploring strategies to boost visibility, including licensing original films to other platforms and potentially introducing advertisements. The challenge remains for Apple to expand its subscriber base and enhance its streaming services' appeal. Apple is expanding its advertising efforts by selling ads directly within the Apple News app. Publishers will receive 70% of the revenue from these ads, while keeping 100% from ads they sell themselves. This move aligns with Apple's strategy to boost services revenue, though it has sparked mixed reactions among users who pay for ad-free subscriptions. As Apple ventures further into digital advertising, this could alter the user experience within the app. In a bid to lift a sales ban on the iPhone 16 in Indonesia, Apple plans to increase its investment in the country from $10 million to $100 million. The ban was imposed due to Apple's failure to meet a $109.6 million investment requirement. The new proposal focuses on research and development, aiming to satisfy the Indonesian government's demands. If accepted, this investment could reopen the market for Apple, highlighting the challenges of meeting local investment regulations. Apple is tackling the issue of Siri being inadvertently activated by TV ads with a new framework called Ad Blocker in the latest tvOS beta. This feature, linked to Shazam Kit, uses audio fingerprints to detect and temporarily disable Siri activation during commercials. This improvement is expected to enhance user experience, particularly for HomePod users, and reflects Apple's commitment to refining its voice assistant technology. The new Black Hole Vision app allows iPhone users to visualize black hole effects through their camera, simulating gravitational lensing and other phenomena. Developed with support from the National Science Foundation, the app is open source and offers educational insights into black hole physics. The latest version introduces a rotating black hole feature, enhancing the app's capabilities. SwingVision, an AI-powered app for tennis and pickleball, offers advanced player and ball tracking features. Endorsed by tennis legends, the app provides automated stats, highlights, and coaching tools. Recent updates include features for pickleball and improvements in video playback. While praised for its analytics, some users have concerns about subscription changes. SwingVision aims to make professional-grade sports analytics accessible to all players. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the articles discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay safe and stay informed.